Okay, so in this video, we're going to be going over how to pull the caption file from Facebook videos. So I just created a video of me talking about a new course on email marketing that I'm going to be putting out. And we have the option within Facebook to have the AI go through the audio and transcribe the video and create a caption automatically. So here we have the caption. And so here I'm going to show you how to pull the caption file and use it in other places like YouTube or LinkedIn or other places where you can benefit from a caption file. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to right click somewhere near the video and I'll click inspect. After clicking inspect, I'm going to use Chrome's tool here, this icon here, and I'm just going to click on the video just to get right the detail and the element of the video. And then I'm going to click Control F or Command F depending on what kind of computer you have. I'm using a Mac, and here I'm going to type in caption. Now when I type in caption, brings us to this particular page or this particular element within the video. So what I usually do is I click edit as HTML, and then I'm going to copy this, all of it, and paste it into my text editor. So I just pasted the link exactly as we have here, and then I'm going to copy the actual link itself, including the blob part. So just watch what I'm doing. I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to paste it into my browser to get the file. Now you see I also included the blob part, so let's go ahead and click enter. Now this is the file. Now what I'm going to do is copy this text and I'll paste it into my editor. Now we have to save it in a particular file, so this is what you want to be particularly aware of. So I'm going to save it in a .vtt file. So I'm going to click save, and then I want to choose the option VTT. I don't want to use rich text. I don't want to use any of these. I'm looking for VTT. I want to set, in order to set the VTT file, I need to make sure that the encoding is set to ANSI. So I'm going to go into the format option, which is going to be on your menu. So you'll look for format. You'll select the make plain text, and it will convert the document into a plain text. Now, when we go to save, we will have the option available for plain text encoding. Okay, then we'll select here the Unicode UTF-8. We'll actually type in VTT here since we've selected the plain text encoding. We want to make sure that this is unchecked, and then we'll click save. So now we have a VTT file, Untitled 6 VTT file, which we can use anywhere. So for instance, let's go into my LinkedIn, because on LinkedIn I also have this video and there's no subtitle or captioning because LinkedIn does not offer that feature, but we are able to upload our own captioning. So I'm going to re-upload the video with the caption. And in LinkedIn, the way to do it, the way to add the caption is to click on this pencil icon here, and then we can click select file, and I'm going to select the VTT file. Now you notice here it says that the VTT file is not supported. So then what we're going to do is go to a website that will convert the VTT file into the right file. the right format. The site I go to is the subtitletool.com, convert to CRT to SRT online. So just what you see here. And then I'm going to choose a file that I want to upload, which is the untitled 6VT2 file, and I'm going to convert to SRT. So it's converted, and then so this is it. So here we have the updated file, and I'm going to rename it to course caption. I'll click save. And then when I go back to LinkedIn and try the same thing, I'm going to upload the SRT file now. It works. So now we have a caption file that we obtained from Facebook's AI transcribing. I'm going to click save. In this course, we're going to be going, and I'm going to click post. So once all the upload is done, LinkedIn will attach the SRT caption to the video, and this video will have caption on LinkedIn. So this is the video, and this is the caption. So the SRT file we can use on YouTube, we can use within any platform that provides the option to upload an SRT file.